Welcome to my channel. Today, this is the class of about statistics, some basic statistics. In my old video, there is some basic concept about the statistics in the discussion about class interval and what is tally marks, what is the pie chart, and some basic drawing of statistics and what is the range, and there are some small discussion was there. Okay, and now today I want to discuss the measure of central tendency, and there are the three part of measure of central tendency, that is mean, median and mode. And about mean, there is a three part: arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean, and it is the most important only. And this is the arithmetic mean, and some other exam like BCom and another computer exam, they always use a geometric mean. And for the BCA exam, for the first semester and some other semester, only discussion about mean, arithmetic mean. I want to introduce three problems and about this discussion mean, median, mode. In the question number 1, let us assume students in your schools, the 8 students, their weight are 30 kg, 32 kg, 25 kg, and that's all. And find the mean weight and also the median weight. And the second problem, the frequency distribution is there. The values is there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and their frequencies is 7, 11, 16. And let us assume in an exam in your schools, there's up to 10 marks. Out of 10 marks, the students, marks 1 or score, that is the 7. Marks 2 score is 11 students. And there are the 11 students like that, let us assume. And for the next distribution is this, has the gapping is this is called the class interval, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, and 20 to 30, and this is the class interval, and it's also called class boundaries, as this is called the class boundaries here, as you see the 0 to 10, 10 to 20. And some others class interval, there was a 0 to 10 and 11 to 20, and that intervals are called the class interval only, not boundaries. And if it is a boundaries, so it would be a continuous class interval. And if there was a 0 to 10, 11 to 20, and 21 to 30, and that type of interval is called the discontinuous class interval. And about that type of distribution, and needed to the forming of boundaries, it means needed to a continuous class interval was there. Okay, and now that type of interval, let us assume the in an exam in a college, there was some students score marks 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and the frequency is there. This is the number of students is there. Actually, I want to visualize to all of you what is this, what is table, what is the collection of data. Okay, about that I introduce that type of language. Okay, and now see, first discussion is there, mean. What is mean? Mean actually the in your childhood, you know the average, and that average is called mean. Okay, simply for mean, that is x bar, that's called the sum of some values, like x1 has a value and the other value is x2 and x3 and dot dot up to n, and the number of data we have in. So this addition is simply notation is at summation x and by n, and actually this would be okay, but needed to like that from 1 to n. So here is 1 to n, forming 1 to n, and here is notation is xi, and this is the number of term. and if we average this, then we got the average. Okay. So for this is the simple series. For this, here we see the 30 kg. Added this data: 32 kg, 25 kg, 41 kg. Okay, then 36 kg, and 40, and 28, and also 20 kg. Okay, and this is the average kgs. Okay, now how much data are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and divided by 8, then we get the, what is the answer? It is called the average, arithmetic mean. And for simple data, this is called simple series. Okay, now calculated and sum of this. This is 30 plus 32 plus and 25 plus this is 41 plus this is 36 plus and 40 plus, okay, plus 28 plus 20. Okay, and total is 252. Okay, 252 by 8, and divided by, this is 8 we got, and 31.5. This is the mean weight, and this is the, therefore the mean weight is average weight, mean weight. Therefore the mean weight is 31.5 kg. Okay, in your school. So that's all for the simple series. Okay, now I want to introduce, and this simple series also calculate another method. That method is called the shortcut method. Okay, and shortcut is called, why we call shortcut? And this type of data are reduced in a simplification form. Like that, let us assume this is the another method actually. Shortcut method. Okay, so what about that? Let us assume this is a x. Okay, here is 30. Okay, that is 32. That is 25. That is 41. And 36. 40. 20. Students, I want to just introduce all of you. They are the some method, but you can use easily this method. Not needed to more about that, but about my thinking to introduce all the method. So here is x, and now we have to find d, and that is called x minus a. So any of this data, you can subtract each of the values. Let us assume, actually if we arrange this data in ascending order, the middlemost value is to take as a. But now we are posting this data in order which are given there. Okay, let us assume you can subtract any data. So let us assume this is a 40. That is assuming this is 25. Okay, then we got, that is here 30 minus 25. See, this is d, this is the column of d. So x minus a, that is 30 minus a, that is 30 minus 25. Let us assume this is a 25 as a. So this is here, a means we assume here 25. Okay, not needed exactly each of the students you should assume as a as a 25, not needed. And some of students you assume a 35 as a, 32 as a, 42 as a, 41 as a. That is your choice. Okay. So now 30 minus 25. 30 minus 25, it's here 5. 32 minus 25, it's 7. 25 minus 25 is here 0. 41 minus, this is 41 minus 25 is 16. 36 minus 25 is 11. 40 minus 25, 40 minus 25 is 15. And 28 minus 25, 28 minus 3. And 20 minus 25 is here minus 5. So only needed a summation D. And this is we have added this 8 number. 7 5 12 plus this is 12 here and added with 16, okay, then added with 11, then 15, then 3, okay, that is 57, and subtract minus 5, okay, that is 52 here, okay. Okay, and the formula is here x bar, and this is equal to a plus and summation d by n, and this is the shortcut formula. But how is possible this formula is came from? After the discussion about this problem, we introduce this formula. How is possible this formula? And now see here a needed to learn this formula. Okay, now a means here 25. Okay, see, and summation is there 52. See, and n here is 8. Okay, this is 25 and 25 52 divided by 8, and this is 6.5 and added with 25. See, that is 31.5. See, 31.5. So as usual, answer is same always, but there is also some silly mistake. Maybe there are some error. As we get 31.5, some silly mistake. It's maybe either again 31.6. So not such an error there. So now see, this is x bar. The formula is there a plus summation divided. So how it form? Okay, now as we know, the x bar, and that is summation x by summation n, as you know. So here x is equal to d minus a. X is equal to d minus a. So we substitute in place of x, and that is actually usually meaning that there is a xi. I mean to say this is an xi, and this is I to n. This is here 1 to n. So this is summation x 1 to n xi. Xi means this is, we can write here xi, and see a as a constant, and see here is a as a constant. So see, if we subtract each of the value like a, so a does not change, but d here is changes 5 7 0. So d here is a variable. So that's why in place of x I we can put that is di minus a by n here. Okay, see, in place of xi, see here xi, that is di minus a. So for the summation, and this is di, and also summation, this is a, and there is I equal to 1 to n, and there is I equal to 1 to n. Okay, and that is here n. Okay, I am doing some mistake. D is equal to x minus a. So here is D. So xi equal to a plus d. Sorry, there is a plus. Okay. So that is summation di I equal to 1 to n by n, a plus like up to n. So what will the addition of A? Up to n times of A, their addition will be n into A. So you can write here n into A by here n. So write here A plus, that is summation D by n, actually 1 to n, and this is average of D. So this is your formula. See, this is your formula. Okay, A plus summation D by n. See, A plus summation D by n. So this is your conception about the shortcut for simple series. Okay, for simple series. See carefully, students. Okay, now next point we have to introduce for the frequency distribution. Now here I want to introduce the for frequency distribution, and in that case I have to for question number 1. Okay, there is a discussion about the median. And for the median, we always arrange the number in ascending order. We arrange the number in ascending order. Like first, you have to arrange the number in ascending order. So least value we arrange 20, and then after it's 25. Then after 25. That is 28. Okay. Then 30. Okay. Then 32. Okay. Then 36. Okay. Then 40. Okay. Then 41. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See carefully the students, what is the median? So for simple series, if we want to find the median, so first of all, for the simple series, if there are not given the frequency, so that's why it's called the simple series. So find the median. Therefore the median, directly we can say underline the first value and the extreme value. Underline the first value and extreme value like that. Underline the first value and extreme value. Okay. And here is left the two values in the middle. So average of this value is called the median. If we get single value, then that value is called the median. As we get them in the middle, there is the same. There is a two value. So average of these two values is called the median. If we get a single value, so that single value is called the median. Okay, so what is the average? Is 31. Okay, 31 is your answer. This is a median weight, 31 kg. Okay, students, for the simple series, just I have to introduce here. Sorry, introduce here the mean and median for the simple series. And here is also C. 20, 28, these all are distinct, Okay, so median is not possible. Median means I am to say mode. Mode is not possible here. And about the discussion, this data, the 2 point here, mean and median, are discussed for the simple series. And if we want to introduce as mode, what is mode? And see for the values of this series, here is the frequency. Find first the maximum frequencies. And maximum frequencies is there 30. So then we can say that the mode is 6. So for that series, mode is 6 here. Okay. Now, next point I want to introduce geometric mean. For this is the simple series. Is the formula. This is called GM. Short form is called geometric, GM is called the short form, and geometric mean. And here is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 values. That is the product 30 kg into 32 kg into 25 kg into 41 kg into 36 into 40 into this is a 28, and these also are 20 kg, and these hold to the power. LCS is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is the number of item is 1 by 1 over 8. Okay, this is to the power. And we have to calculate with the help of logarithm. Then this calculation will be easy here. But I want to introduce the what is the GM. So GM is the, for simple series, the product of the numbers and the number of counting number, that is their reciprocal. Okay, and it's called the GM. And you have to introduce the HM. And what is the HM of this number? And this is HM. HM is the formula is there n by, and that is summation, that is 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2, and this is your formula, and that is 1 by xn. Okay, and that is symbolized by n by, and summation 1 by and xi, and I equal to 1 to n there. Okay, and that's why formula is here n by that, and there is a 8 number of item, and that is the reciprocal is 1 by, we can write 30, 30, then 1 by 32, that is 1 by 25, and that is 1 by 41, and that is 1 by 36, and 1 by 41, okay, 1 by 36, 1 by 40, and this is here 1 by 28, and this is here 1 by 20. Okay, this is the for calculation of HM. Okay, this is your formula for HM, and what is the formula of GM? And that is the product of x1, x2, and x3, and dot 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 xn to the power 1 by n there. And it can be also noted by this is called the product symbol, and this is called the summation symbol, as this is the product. So you can write here I equal 1 to n there. Okay, I equal to 1 to n, and this is product, and we can write here xn, xi, and that would be a 1 by n. Okay, so okay, no, this would be a whole to the power. Okay, and this is whole to the power 1 by n. Okay, and this is the formula of GM, calculating of GM, and this is the HM. So for finding the values of this calculation, question paper have given the logarithm value, and some given their logarithm table also. So then you will calculate easily. Okay, I want to introduce the GM and what is the HM in the chapter of mean. Okay, and this is okay now. If the for the problem number 2, for what is the GM and HM for problem, this is for problem 1, and this is their problem 1, and this is for problem 2. And what is the problem? And we have to find GM, and what is the formula is there, and that is the value is there 1. So this is here summation, that is the product of 1 to the power 7 into, and that is the value is 2, and 2 to the power 11. Frequency will be power, okay, and 3 to the power 16, and also 4 to the power 17, and 5 to the power 26, and 6 to the power 30. Okay, and then 7 to the power 11, and 8 to the power 1, and 9 to the power 1 also, and these to the power sum of, and this is their sum 1 by sum of frequencies. Actually the frequency here is 120. This is the sum of frequency, and this is your formula for when the frequency series is given there. So that is the like that product of I equal to 1 to n there, and this is xi to the power, and this is their fi, and this is fi, and whole to the power 1 by summation fi. Okay, and also for HM is equal to, this is the sum of frequency, is there 1 by 20, and that is F1, this is 7 by 1, okay, and this is 11 by 2, okay, and this is here 16 by 3, okay, and that's all, and that's all, and this is also a 1 by 9 here. And actually formula is there, sum of frequency, this is A5 and I equal to 1 to n, and this is their summation, this is their A5 by xi, okay, A5 by xi, and I equal to 1 to n. Actually use this table, we write this formation, but in your exam there is just simple data would be given there, like this type of long data are not given there. Actually I use this table, that's why I use this table and write this formula, okay. And now next point I want to introduce the median and mode for the next two tables, okay. What is the median? And mode here is, for the table here is, we always find the maximum frequencies in a table, and see here is a 30 is the maximum frequency, and their respective value is 6 here, okay. Now we have to introduce to calculate the mean for this table, and for problem number 2. Problem number 2 is this, and that is the formula is here, x bar is equal to, for frequency distribution is this, summation a phi, and this is xi by summation a phi, okay, and that's why this is the formula for frequency distribution. So see, in the table you have always find a table there, okay. Now see, this is the x, is the value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 also, okay. And the frequencies f, this is f, okay, this is here 7, 11, 16, and 17, 26, 30, 11, 1, and 1. This is find fx. That is 7, 1 is 7, 2, 11 is 22, and 48, and 48, 68. This is here 3, 0, and 30, 80, 77, 8, and 9. Need to do a summation here is given. F is, if we sum this data, we get here 120, and that is what we have given. This is total frequency is 120 here. And now we have to find the summation fx. And that is a phi x, we can write. And this is being here. Now find the value of summation fx, and that is equal to sum is 7 plus 22 plus 48 plus 130 plus 180, okay, plus 77 plus 8 plus 9, okay, then we get 481. You can check it. 2022 plus 7, Okay, plus 48. Okay, plus 68. 68. 130. Plus 180. Plus 77. Plus 8. Plus 9. Okay. This is here 5, 4, 9. And that is equal to 5, 4, 9 divided by 120. And that would be divided by 120. This is 4.575. Okay, this is the simple method. Just the formula here is use summation x bar is equal to summation x by sum of frequency. And now I want to use another form that is called shortcut method. That is the formula here is x bar is equal to a plus summation d by n. N means sum of frequency here. Okay, n means sum of frequency. Okay, and for finding here is d. So there is a d. If we find d is equal to, that is x minus a. Okay, then this table not needed here. Okay, in the new table, this is called a new table for the new calculation table for use the d, and this is called the shortcut method. Okay, for cut method. Okay, so d is equal to here x minus a, and a is your choice. You may be use middlemost value actually, either 4, either 5, either 6, and use here 5 as a, and that's why a is called the assuming. So 1 minus 5, that is minus 4, 2 minus 5, that is there minus 3, 3 minus 5, that is minus 2, 4 minus 5, that is minus 1, and 0, 1, 2, 3, and that is here 4. Okay, and now find AFD. This is here AFD. AFD 4 7 28, 28 minus 33. This is it is 16. Okay, this is minus 18. Oh, so 32 minus 17, and this is here 0, and 30, 22, 3, and 4. And now find sum of d. And sum of d is, for using this, that is 30 plus 22 plus 7. Okay, this is 257. Then minus 17. Okay, then minus 32. Okay, then minus 33. Okay, then minus 28. Okay, this is again right, 30 plus 22 plus 7, 59 minus 70. Okay, minus 32. Okay, 23. Okay. Minus 28. Minus 51. Okay. So therefore the x value is equal to a means here 5. It's here 5. Summation FD is here minus 51. Minus 51 and sum of frequencies is here minus 120. And that is 5 minus, and this is here 51 divided by 120. That is 0.425, and then minus 5, then we get here 4.575, 4575. So same value here, get here. Okay. Now the another point, we have to find the median. In that case, okay, in that case we have to find the cumulative frequencies. Okay, see carefully, this is the calculation, most important calculation. And now we have to find the median for this table. Okay, for median, forming a cumulative frequency. Okay. Okay. So this is called the less than type. Okay, so it means less than 1. 1 or less than 1, that is 7 here. 2 or less than 2. So it's include 11 and 7. So that's why these two frequencies are added. So you get here 18. 18 plus, if we read as less than cumulative frequency, it means 3 and less than 3. It means from 1 to 3. And total frequency have to be added. So here is 18 plus 60, there is 16. So 18 plus 16, that will be 34. And added with 17, okay? Then you get here 51, added with 26, okay? Plus 26. We get here 77, added with 30, that is 107. 11, that is 118. So this is 19. So this is 120. See, here is n. So this is the value of n here. So for finding the median, we always use n by 2 here. Okay, n by 2. That is 1 by 20 by 2. That is here 60. So see, in that cumulative frequency column, where the C3 is lie. This is lie on this interval, okay? So this is here n by 2. So you see this is 60. And see the median lies on 4 to 5. And see these interval only are class marks, not a class boundaries. So you can easily say that for this table the median is 5 here. Then you can say therefore median is equal to 5. Okay. And again I repeat here, so finding the mode, and for the class mark column, and with this frequency is this, and finding a mode, so we always search a maximum frequency. As you see this column, the maximum frequency is 30, and respective and that value of in the column of x, we see that is 6. So we can say the mode is here 6. So mode is 6. Okay, students, see the technique. Now we have to proceed the problem number 3. In the table, problem number 3 is there. Okay. তুমি একটু রিপিট করে নাও টেবিলটার দিকে তাকিয়ে, ওকে? এই প্রবলেম 1 3টা প্রসিড করছি, দেখে নাও ভালো করে। And here is a column. This table is given as a class boundaries. Okay, so use these boundaries. We first will follow the table here. So problem number 3. Okay, first we follow a table. This is class interval. Class interval. So that is 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, then 20 to 30, then 30 to 40, then 40 to 50. Okay, and respective sequences is there 4, 7, 8, 4, and 2 here. Okay, and for finding the mean, we always need from this column a class mark, and class mark is called the average of these two upper limit and lower limit. Average of upper limit and lower limit. This is class mark. X is called class mark. Okay, and this is 0 plus 10 by 2, that is 5 here. 10 plus 20, 30 by 2, this is 15 here. And 20 plus 30 is 50 by 2, is 25 here. And 30 plus 40 is 70, this is 35 here. And 40 plus 50, 90, that is here 45. So this is your an easy method here is x is equal to x by equal to, we can use summation fx by, okay, I need a column again, and summation fx, you have to find summation fx. 4 5 20, this is 20 here, and 7 15 is 7 into 15, it is 105, 105. Again 4 20, 200, 34, 4 5 20, and 2 3 4 12, 140, then 90 here. Okay, now I need to find the summation x, summation fx, and f also. So see, this is here 8, 10, 14, 8, 10, 14, 18, 25. And the sum of that is here 20 plus 105 plus 200 plus 140, this is here plus 90. Okay, you get here 555, 555, and therefore x bar is equal to a plus, no, this is the shortcut method, a is only the simple method. This is summation fx by n here, this is summation f, so that is your 555 by 25. Okay, this is here 55 divided by 25, we get here 22.2 here. Okay, now the another table, this is the shortcut method for x bar is equal to a plus this is summation fd by n here. So for that we have to find d. Find d. Not delete this column here for shortcut method. See, this is d here. We can assume mid value. See, here is mid is 25 and 35. We can assume assume in either a 35 is also, and see I am using here a like 25 here. D is equal to x minus 25, and 5 minus 25. 5 minus 25 is here minus 20. 15 minus 25 is here minus 10. Okay, 25 minus 25 is 0. 35 minus 25 is 10 here, and 45 minus 25 is here 20. So this is your D, and now find FD. So this is column of FD. So multiply by 4 with minus 20, this is minus 80, and 7 with minus 10, that is multiplied by 70, minus 70, and this is 0, and this is 40, okay, and this is 40 also. Then see the formula, we have to need the value of A, which is 25, and here is summation FD, so sum of this column is needed here. So sum of FD, and that is equal to 40, 40, 80, 80 are cancelled, then we get here minus 70. Okay, therefore A means this is there 25, and summation FD has minus 70, and see the sum of frequency here is 25. So see, this is 25, and 70 divided by 25. 70 divided by 25, we get here 2.8. So 25 minus 2.8. So that is here minus 25, then we get 22.2. See, this value are matched on the previous calculation. So in shortcut method, okay. So now for this column we have to find the for this table, for the problem number 3, we have to find the median. Then after we calculate the mode. Okay, see carefully here. This is a frequency table, and for finding the mode, median, we use the first we use the cumulative frequency column is needed. Okay. So for finding median, cumulative frequency less than type. This is less than type. Okay. So here we read as less than 10 means less than 10. 0 to 10 is 4, so less than 10 is also 4. Less than 20, so you see that this is less than 20, it means nothing to 10 to 20, it is 0 to 20 here. So we add these two frequencies, so here is 11, and again less than 30, so 0 to 30, so added with 8, this is 19. 19 plus 4 is here 23, then 23 plus 2 is 25. Okay, then now find this is n. Okay, we always find n by 2, so that is 25 by 2, and this is here 12.5. Okay, see 12.5 lie on this cumulative frequency in this position. This is here n by 2, this is 12.5. And in between them we have to find median here. Okay, median lie on this interval, that is 20 to 30. So don't see this portion. We follow 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. According to this column, 4 means this is the frequency less than 10, and 20 means this 11 is the less than 20. So follow this only column, not this side. Okay. So find median. So median, we have to use here the interpolation method. After that, we forming a formula of median. Okay, see. So now here is the median is m minus 20 by 30 minus 20. This is the easy technique. This is called interpolation method. M minus 20 by 30 minus 20. Okay. And this is equal to this is here 12.5 minus 11. 12.5 minus 11, 19 minus 11. Okay, see, so then m minus 20, and this is here 12.5 minus 11 by 7 into, this is here 10. So m is equal to 20 plus, this is here 12.5 minus 11 by 7 into 10. Actually, this formation is the formula of median. So see, the median formula is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus C by F into H. This is the formula. So see, L means 20, n by 2 means 12.5, C means this is the upper chord frequency is 11, and then after 7 is the difference between these two frequencies where the 12.5 is live. So F means 19 minus 11, okay, and H means the class width, where the median is lie. The median lie on the 20 to 30, and their difference is there H. Okay, this is the formula of median. Okay, but use this method, so we can needed to learn this formula here. Okay, so this is equal to 20. So this is here 12.5 minus 11, that is 1.5. This is 1.5 into 10 by 7. So you get here 20 plus 15 by 7. It is here 15 by 7. So 15 divided by 7, then we get here 2.14. Alright, this is here 7. Okay, this is here 2.143. 2.143. So this is 22.143, and this is the value of median. Okay. After that, we have to find the value of mode, and so what is the formula? And for finding the mode, first follow the maximum frequency. This is denoted by FM, and upper and this frequency is denoted by F suffix n9n1, and this frequency is denoted by Fm plus 1. Okay, and mode is equal to, this is L, means lower class, limit of the modal class, and this is here Fm minus 1, 2 Fm minus 1 minus, and this is here Fm plus 1. Sorry, I want to write a bit wrong. This is here L1 Fm minus this 2 into Fm. Okay, I'm right here. And also into H. Okay, see, and this called 8 is the maximum frequency, so this called the modal class. This read as a modal class, and here is the lower limit is 20. So FM here is 7. No, this is here 8 minus FM. This is 7 here. Okay, 2 into FM. This is 2 into 8, and this is here minus 7, and this is also 4. And H is that difference is 10. So this is here 20 plus 1. This is here 16 minus 7 minus 4, and this is here 10. So you can write 10, and this is here 9 minus 4. This is 5. So this is 2, and this is 22. So mode is here 22. Again I repeat the formula. This is FM minus 1 by 2 into FM minus FM minus 1 minus this is here FM plus 1, okay, into H. Okay, formula is right. So this is the calculation table for mode. Okay. See carefully.